PTC Mathcad Prime is a powerful engineering calculation software that helps teams capture, analyze, and communicate with natural math notation, units intelligence, and traceable design decisions. Mathcad Prime 12 delivers quicker calculations, enhanced native 2D plots, an amped-up calculation engine, more flexible documentation options, and a foundation upgrade to support future innovation. These new elements work in harmony, making it easier and faster to get your work done, while always ensuring precision in your calculations. Mathcad Prime 12 builds upon the previous release's focus on performance enhancements. Through several performance initiatives, depending on worksheet content, recalculation of large and dense worksheets is faster than before. Mathcad Prime's 2D native plots have new formatting features, bringing your graphs to the top of the billboard charts. These include plot titles, axis titles, grid lines, and an editable legend. Format your graphs the way you want. But that's not all. When you need to make changes to your worksheet, accelerate your tempo with the improved Find and Replace feature. Mathcad Prime 12 can find identifiers with subscripts and replace them with a new identifier, significantly helping productivity and documentation of your work. Mathcad Prime 12 delivers purposeful enhancements to grant flexibility for your documentation. Let's start with updates to headers and footers. Page numbering is more flexible, and different headers and footers can be applied to the first page. This supports use cases such as creating a custom cover page with no page number, or connecting multiple worksheets via hyperlink for your final report. Included worksheets can now be refreshed individually for quicker retrieval of the latest data without requiring recalculation of your entire worksheet. Improve readability by being able to hide solve block labels. This customer-driven request improves the aesthetics of your worksheet. When performing a symbolic evaluation, you can now hide the symbolic keywords and modifiers. This will also abridge the symbolic evaluation arrow, saving space and leaving a cleaner worksheet. Need a bigger venue? Mathcad Prime now supports larger page sizes that dramatically expand page view for a larger printable work area. In addition to using larger page sizes, you are now able to change the background color of your work area. Choose from Mathcad Prime's traditional paper color, pure white, to better match other applications, or gray for greater contrast between your content and the background. We've also improved the visual resolution for embedded OLE objects in your worksheet. Whether you're resizing, zooming, or exporting, your OLE objects will better maintain their quality compared to previous versions. Mathcad Prime 12's top-tier calculation engine is amped up with even more new and improved functions and options. We've introduced function analysis functions, allowing you to symbolically analyze the behavior of your user-defined functions, such as determining if expressions are continuous or finding their discontinuous points, finding local or global extrema, identifying specific variables within an expression, or retrieving all variables from an expression. Mathcad Prime 12 offers a triplet of engine features to provide more control and speed for solver functions. First, you can now right-click maximize, minimize, find, or min-air, and set them to MultiStart. This assists the solver to find a global solution rather than a local one. Second, right-click maximize or minimize to enable optimize mode. Optimize prioritizes a faster, more approximated result. Last in the triplet is manual definition of first and second derivatives for maximize or minimize, providing even faster solutions. There are even more engine jams following those instant classics. We've extended use cases for limits, range summations, indefinite integrals, and other calculus operations. We've expanded support for symbolic computation using the King rule for definite integrals. Now you can perform integration by substitution for cases of one variable. Lastly, we've broadened the scope of the clear function to reset system variables like origin and tol to default values. Finally, PTC has moved Mathcad Prime's backend architecture from .NET Framework to .NET. This is a foundational upgrade to support the rhythm of future innovation. Solve, analyze, document, and share your engineering calculations with Mathcad Prime 12.